Welcome. If you want to change a function of your volume button in the camera on ZTE Axon 10 Pro, for the first we have to enter camera, then move to the left upper corner to enter the settings, and here we have the volume key. So currently it is set up on the take a photo, but we can change it for the zoom. So let's go back and let's check if it is working. So right now I'm gonna press the volume up button. Okay, the zoom doesn't work in 48 megapixels, so we have to change the resolution right here, and then go back and check if it is working right now. Oh yeah, right now it is zooming with the volume up button, so let's press the volume down button and it's zoom out. So yeah, it is working. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.